So now you can see. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
তোমাদের আর একটা কাজ করি। ঠিক আছে। So today's lecture chapter 4 lesson 1 and 2. We can see a figure. You know the name of the fruits.
The strawberry.
There is another fruits.
Jackfruit.
Four types of fruits.
Sir, banana nahi.
Yes, we can use all of these, but there is a reason behind selecting these four types of fruits. There is a dissimilarity among them. Can you see what is the dissimilarity?
The protector size, characteristics.
All are fruits of our country, but there is a dissimilarity.
I think all of them.
So seasonal.
Seasonal.
Yes, you cannot find them all at a time in the market or in the orchard. That means the tree bears fruits in different times. Okay, lychee is summer seasonal, jackfruit is summer and rainy seasonal, then hot plum is rainy seasonal, and at last jujube is winter seasonal. So today's lecture is agricultural season. We can see three figures relating to agricultural season. The figures represent the seasons of our country. At the first figure you can see the dry season, and the second picture is totally opposite of the dry season, that means rainy season, and another picture shows the winter season. So the predominant seasons.
আপনার স্ক্রিন ফ্রিজ হয়ে গেছে।
What?
ঠিক হয়েছে।
Is agricultural season. Agricultural seasons or cropping season of Bangladesh is based on. Can you say? Agricultural season is based on what? Can you say? I have mentioned three seasons: summer season, winter season, and rainy season. These seasons are classified or categorized based on what? Based on climate of our country. Understand? And the basis of climate of our country, of Bangladesh, if we consider the following things: geographical location of Bangladesh, where the country is situated in the globe, sea level and distance from the sea, the height of the land from the sea level, and the distance from the sea, the temperature, humidity, and rainfall. If we consider all these things, we can see, or it is clear that the climate of Bangladesh is subtropical monsoon type of climate. Subtropical, can you do you understand what is subtropical?
Yes, sir. Not too
the
hot,
whole world
not
is
too cold.
divided into tropical, subtropical in the region. So subtropical based on the latitude of the place. Now, climate of Bangladesh. What is the characteristics of Bangladesh climate? Moderate rainfall, temperature, temperate winter, not so severe cold. That means temperate winter, moist summer are the main aspects of climate of Bangladesh. This type of climate is very much favorable for agricultural production. That means moderate rainfall, temperate winter, and moist summer is very much favorable for agricultural production of our country. Now, cropping season. What is cropping season? Can you define? The cropping period. This is the time span taken from seed sowing to maturity of the crop. In between the time seed sowing to maturity of the crop, and during this period, through its physical growth, production of flowers and fruits is considered as cropping season for that particular crop. That is, time range between seedling and reaping of crops is known as season of harvest. In the figure, we can understand easily that from seed sowing to harvesting, the time span is called agricultural season. From seed sowing and harvesting, then growing stage, flowering, fruiting, maturity after harvest. Up to harvest. Now, classification of cropping season. We can classify the cropping season of our country, the whole calendar year. That means from January to December, or in Bengali month, Boishak to Chaitra. The whole time period is classified into 3 categories, and broadly two categories, 2 times. For growing crops, a calendar year has been divided into 2 seasons, Rabi season and Kharif season. Again, Kharif season are classified into Kharif 1 and Kharif 2. That means, in broadly, we can say Rabi season, Kharif 1 and Kharif 2. 3 seasons prevails in our country. Now, Rabi season, when we call the season is Rabi season, the period between Ashin and Falgun, Ashin to Falgun, that means mid-September to mid-March is called Rabi season. At the onset of this season, Bangladesh experiences rainfall, but it rains very slightly. From September, you can think that from September, now we are in the August, after 1 month, the rainfall become very rarely, and up to March, there will be very less rainfall or no rainfall. So this time in the Rabi season, there is less rainfall. During the season, the temperature, humidity and rain, all these befall in less amount. Temperature is low, that means winter season. Humidity is also low, that means dry weather prevails, and rainfall is also low. Now, Kharif season, the alternate time or the remaining time. In the first, we say that Rabi season, that September to March. Now, Kharif season will be March to September. A spell between Chaitra and Bhadra, Bengali month, in English month, March, mid-March to mid-September is known as Kharif season. This season is divided into 2 phases, such as Kharif 1 or summer season, Kharif 2 or rainy season. You must write in your exam that Kharif 1 and Kharif 2, but never write in summer and rainy, because summer and rainy season are mentioned here for better understanding. You can memorize this easily. Cropping season. At a glance, we can say Kharif 1, the time start from 16 March to up to 15 June is Kharif 1. Kharif 2 is 16 June to 15 September, and the rest time, that means 16 September to 15 March. These are the time of three season or period of three season. Graphically, we can show that the time period of the three season. You can see Kharif 1 from start from Chaitra and end at Jyeshto. That means mid March to mid June. Kharif to mid June to mid September, or Ashar to Bhadra. Then Rabi season is Ashin to Falgun. That means mid September to mid March. Some characteristics of Kharif 1. Time span from Chaitra to Jyeshto is called Kharif 1 or summer season. During this season, the temperature tends to be high. Kharif 1. That means summer season. We all experience that temperature is very high. Then storm and hailstorm occurs sporadically. In this time, in our country, more frequently,
সেটা শব্দ করিস না
storm and hailstorm occurs.
মা এসে দেখো শব্দ করতেছে
Who is talking?
The Gita
Ketan Saha.
I can mute you all, but I have given option so that you cannot abuse this option. Kharif 2. The time from Ashar to Bhadra is known as Kharif 2 or rainy season. During this time it rains heavily. That means in rainy season it rains heavily. Air contains higher humidity. The temperature tends to be moderate, not so high, not so cold. Moderate temperature. This is all about lesson 1. Now we'll start and go to lesson 2, crops of Rabi season. Hot crops are grown in our country during this time. Now what is Rabi crops? The crops grown in Rabi season are called Rabi crops. If any crop spends the entire or most of the Rabi season for their physical growth, blossom and fructification, these crops are known as Rabi crops. They are also called winter crops. What are Rabi crops? There is a lot of Rabi crops grown in our country. We know that crops can be divided into horticultural crops and field crops. So at first, which horticultural crops are grown in our country during Rabi season? Potatoes, though we see all the year potatoes in our market, but it is mostly or only grown in our country in the winter season or Rabi season. It has the higher capacity of storing capacity, so that we can see in the market around the year. Now cauliflower, cabbage, carrot, gourd. Gourd means only the bottle gourd. In Bengali we call lao or kodu. This is called bottle gourd. Bean, nolkhal or ulkopi, broccoli, turnip, spinach, palong shak, onion, garlic, etc. cultivated in this season. So most of our vegetable horticultural crops, vegetable crops, and onion, garlics are spices. Horticultural crops of Rabi season.
Onion.
If we see in the figure, potatoes, cabbage, cauliflower and broccoli, carrot, bean. What is called radish? Though it is white in color, but it is reddish. Raddish, not red potato. These are not all of row crops. Some of row crops are given in the picture. What are row crops? Now we can show some field crops. Boro rice. Three types of rice are cultivated in our country: Aus rice, almond rice, and Boro rice. Aus rice is cultivated in Kharif 1. Almond rice is in Kharif 2, and Boro rice is in Rabi season. Wheat, mustard. We get oil from mustard oil. Linseed, also oil crops. Lentil is a pulse crop. Chickpea is also a pulse crop. Black gram, in Bengali it is called khesari, it is also a pulse crop. These are the winter crops or field crops. Diagrammatically, what is this? It is wheat, the grain and the ear. The flowers says the name of the crop. Can you say, anyone, what is the crop? What is the name of the crop?
Sunflower.
Say. Okay, speak out.
So sunflower.
Mustard. আমরা বলি না যে সরিষার ফুল দেখা, সরিষার ফুল, তোকে সরিষার ফুল দেখি, তাই তো? আজকে বাস্তবে সেই সরিষার ফুল দেখলে
Yes, sir.
is mustard.
বাস্তবে
গ্রাম।
বাচ্চারা দেখতাম।
বাংলায় সোনা বলা হয়। What is this? This is another pulse crop. Can you say the name of this crop? Seed and plants. You cannot identify the crops by seeing the plants, but I think you can recognize it by seeing the seeds.
Sir, Mushur dal.
In English, it is
The
called
pulses.
Bengali. It is moshur, but in English, it is called
Sir, pulses.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
lentil.
Lentils.
Lentil. Now, it is
Chickpea.
pea. আমরা যেটাকে বলে থাকি মটর শাক, শাক খাই না আমরা, এবং এই যে
Sir,
বিন।
PP.
হ্যাঁ। Now, I am sure that you cannot tell the name, the last one. I am sure. Can you
The black gram.
take a challenge that you can say the name of this crop?
Sir, black gram.
No. This is the oil crops. We get oil from these
Linseed.
seeds.
Linseed.
What? Linseed.
Linseed.
Linseed, yes, it is linseed. বা তিসির তেল বলা হয়, তিসি, বাংলায় এটাকে বলা হয় তিসি। This is, what is this? Can you say?
Sir, date tree.
খেজুর গাছ, তাই তো?
Collecting dead juice.
Dead juice is collected from the plant. খেজুরের রস আমরা শীতকালে খেয়ে থাকি। এটা যে শীতকাল, এটা বোঝার উপায় নাই। কেন? এটা যে উইন্টার সিজনে পাওয়া যায়, এটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না এই ছবি দেখে। কেন বোঝা যাচ্ছে না?
Because of the dress.
হ্যাঁ?
Because of the dress.
Because of the dress of the
Because of the
collector of,
climate.
yes, the poor people do not have their suitable dress to warm themselves from the
More like
cold.
all week.
The misery of the poor people of our
Yes.
country. The aspects of the Rabi season are some of the features of Rabi season characteristics. Low temperature. You need not to memorize. If you think that what are the characteristics of or atmospheric condition of Rabi or winter season, that we can say low temperature, then insufficient rainfall, low humidity. We have 10 minutes. Less possibilities of storms, less fear of hailstorm, less threat of flood, fewer hazards of disease and pest of hot plants. Need irrigation because insufficient rainfall. So we need to supply the land or crops water. This is irrigation due to insufficient rainfall. Longer night time than that of day length. We can say the night time is much longer than daytime in the Rabi season or winter season. Now homework. Here some crops names are given. You have to separate horticultural crops from the crops below. Potatoes, cabbage, lentil, carrot, gourd, bean, all are Rabi crops, but you have to separate uh, the horticultural crops. So uh, I'll give you 2 minutes to copy out this page or take a screenshot. Understand? Shall I proceed or stay in the page?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Potatoes, cabbage, lentil, carrot, gourd, bean. Copy out this. Boro rice, nolkhal, orulkopi, broccoli, turnip, mustard, spinach, onion, garlic, wheat, linseed, chickpea, cauliflower, black gram. All are Rabi crops. You have to
Sir,
identify
sir, what is chickpea?
horticultural crops and what is
What what is chickpea?
chickpea. I don't understand your question.
I am saying that what is chickpea?
Chickpea. There is another homework for you. You should write chickpea in Google and search. Show the figure. Understand? So you can see the
Zita.
plant and Bengali. Okay. This is all. Okay. Now uh, you can ask me question if you have any query or if you fail to understand anything. Yes.
Yes.
If you have any question,
Yeah, I have a question. Yeah, I have a question.
cannot.
হ্যালো স্যার আপনি ক্লাস করাচ্ছেন
If you don't have any question, that means you have understood everything or you have understood nothing. This one should have question relating to the lesson. Muhammad Tawfiq, is there any student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The number? Tawfiq is 8571. Okay. No question.
No, sir.
No sir means
Question নেই.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
okay.
Sir, what makes differences if night time is longer or equal to daytime?
দেশে যখন শীতকাল তখন আমরা মানে সানরাইজ এন্ড সানসেট, ঠিক আছে, এই টাইমটা যদি হ্যাঁ
কাল্টিভেশনের সময় এই নাইট টাইম লং হলো না শর্ট হলো এটা কি ডিফার করে?
একেবারে মানে সবচেয়ে বেশি মানে ইনফ্লুয়েন্স হলো এইটারই, বুঝলে? তুমি মনে করো যে আম গাছে ফুল আসে কখন? আম গাছের কথাই বলো, আম গাছে কখন ফুল আসে?
Sir, summer season.
না ফুল আসে কিন্তু উইন্টারের শেষের দিকে, কথা বুঝলে? সামারে ফল পাকে কিন্তু ফুল আসে উইন্টারের শেষের দিকে। তার মানে প্রত্যেকটা প্লান্টের ফ্লাওয়ারিং এর উপরে এই যে ডে লেন্থের একটা ইম্প্যাক্ট আছে, ইফেক্ট আছে। ফ্লাওয়ারিংটা ডিপেন্ড করে, ফ্লাওয়ারিং অফ দ্য মোস্ট অফ দ্য প্লান্টস ডিপেন্ড অন দ্য ডে লেন্থ। ডে লেন্থ যদি অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট না হয় তাহলে ফ্লাওয়ারিং হবে না। কিছু কিছু ক্রপ আছে যাদের এই যে মানে আমরা নেক্সট লেসনে এটা দেখবো যে যাদের ফ্লাওয়ারিং এর উপরে ডে লেন্থের কোনো প্রভাব নাই, কোনো ইফেক্ট নাই, তাদেরকে বলা হয় হলো যে ডে নিউট্রাল ক্রপ। যেমন এগুলো সারা বছর পাওয়া যায়, যেমন পাপায়া, ব্যানানা, কোকোনাট, এগুলো সারা বছর পাওয়া যায়, বিকজ day length has no effect on the flowering of this crop. But most of the crops, flowering of the crops depends on the day length. Understand?
Yes, sir.
কে যেন লিখেছে মানে হোমওয়ার্ক সম্পর্কে কোনো কোশ্চেন আছে? তোমরা যদি কেউ মিস করে থাকো, আমার হাতে আর মাত্র মনে হয় 1 মিনিট সময় আছে, 1 থেকে 1.5 মিনিট সময় আছে, এরপরে বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে। কেউ যদি মিস করে থাকো তাহলে যারা কপি করতে পেরেছে তাদের কাছ থেকে এটা একটু নিয়ে নিও, ঠিক আছে? গ্রুপে দিয়ে দিও, তাহলে হয়ে যাবে ওই পেজটা। তো আর যদি কোনো কোশ্চেন না থেকে থাকে তাহলে বিদায় নিব। আর একটা কথা, সেটা হলো যে আমি পার্টিসিপেন্ট অনেক কম দেখতে পাচ্ছি। আমি এই যে এখন অনেক কমে গেছে, 22 অনলি। কারণটা কি?
Yes, sir. অনেকজন ছিল স্যার, কমে গেছে।
এটা আমি নেক্সট ক্লাসে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স নিব, যে কারা কারা আছে রোল নম্বর এবং এই দেখে দেখে আমি এগুলো অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স নিব, এক নাম্বার 1। আর তোমাদের ক্লাসটা হবে অল্টারনেট উইকে, কথা বুঝলে? আজ মানে এই উইকে আমি নিলাম, নেক্সট উইকে কিন্তু ওই তোমাদের আইসিটি হবে, তারপরের উইকে আবার এগ্রিকালচার হবে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
মতো এখানেই।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম
আল্লাহ
স্যার।
হাফেজ।
স্যার ভালো থাকেন স্যার, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।